I have got to climb this. Believe.
Yes! Hey, I had a sensor go off at the gym. I'm just gonna check it out. Okay, bye. Hey, is anybody in here? Nothing's in here but broken drains.
What?
Who said that? You are worth more than you know. Believe in yourself. Live your dream.
It's easy to say believe in yourself and follow your dreams in the good times, but in the bad times when tragedy hits, it becomes much more difficult. If we can keep a positive attitude through those trying times in our life, we will be able to find a solution to solve those problems. I know that sometimes it can seem extremely difficult. Trust me, I've been going through this personally myself lately. But I know that as we continue to strive to do the best that we can, we will be able to achieve great things. You can achieve great things if you believe that you can achieve great things. Thank you for watching the Climber Dad channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, share this with your friends that may need this information, and I will see you next time right here on Climber Dad.